Hello everyone, welcome to Stanley's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the lotus with the sticky rice. Let's do it! What we need is some lotus, sticky rice, brown sugar. For the lotus, it is better to have the bigger ones, like this. First, we're gonna peel them. Okay, let's prepare some sweet rice, or you can call it sticky rice. Make sure you cut down the body part. Okay, it's very important step. Okay, let's fill some sticky rice into the holes. Also, I want to mention that don't fill the hole with too much rice. As long as you can see the rice from the top, it will be a good level to stop. Because when the rice is fully cooked, basically the rice will be bigger, right? So it should be good to stop. Now it's time to stick the side part back to the body. Why is this part necessary? Because we need to prevent the rice leaking to the water, right? So we get 3 or 4 toothpicks. Get it ready. And cover the side part into the body, and make sure the toothpick pierces the body. So like you don't, if you feel it is really easy, maybe you need to change to another position. Like it should be, you will need to push it hard, really hard to make that work. Otherwise it will drop off. Alright, we've got this one ready. We will do with the other one. Yeah, feel it. You feel this one, you cannot drop off, right? So it's good to go. Before adding the sugar, I want to mention that the water level should be just immerse the lotus. So you can go over with a little bit, but don't add too much water. For how much sugar we should add for this, I would say 100 gram sugar, like the brown sugar is the basic level. It will be healthier. If you want it be more tasty, you can add it to 150. Depends on your needs, right? So if you're feeding the little kids, maybe you don't have to be 100 gram, or even like 80 gram is good, or 70, because you don't want it to be too sweet, right? Again, make sure they are immersed in the water. Okay, turn on the fire. Pressure cook for 15 minutes. Okay. Power level is 8. Okay, after 15 minutes, it looks very good, isn't it? Is in here, so see, looks pretty good, right? See the sticky rice? And I'm not sure if I need this part, maybe not. I'll just throw it out and cut it. I will say maybe cut it into 2 or 1.5 centimeter thick. So see, looks very good. And actually, it's not dark enough, you know, how to get dark. If you put more brown sugar, it will be more dark, and I think it will be sweeter, but it's okay for me. I don't want to have too many sugars. Oh. Okay, that part, I'm not sure I need that part, but yeah. Now it's time to see if you did a great job or not. Is that yummy? You like it? If you like this video, please subscribe. I will see you in the next time.